Hello, welcome back to Macy TV. Last time we went and bought a bunch of shoes from all the sneaker stores in Mumbai, and you guys liked the video a little too much. That being said, we had to pay full price for everything. That's not a good feeling because we also didn't make any money on it. So today, we are gonna go visit the coolest outlet stores we could find closest to us, which is also stupidly far, but whatever. And we're gonna go scour some deals and see if we can make some money. Stick around till the end of the video for two things. Number one, to see if we actually make enough money, to see if we actually make any money, and to see how much money we make if we do. Before anything, stop and comment down below how much money you think we'll spend. And the second and the most important thing that you gotta stick around for is that we're gonna be listing these shoes on our website at a good margin. But somewhere through this video, I'm gonna stop and very randomly give you a discount code. And that discount code will give you a healthy discount on the shoes so that you can get them very close to the price that we paid for them, which is a good deal. So stick around, keep your eyes out, and if you comment it down below, maybe we'll leave it, maybe we'll delete it, I don't know, we'll see. I'm not gonna tell you where it is, so watch out for it, and I'll see you at the end of the video. First up, the Adidas outlet, 3 stripes, outlet, 50% off of purchase of 2 or more products. Let's see what we can get. सबसे बेस्ट
डील सबसे बेस्ट है बाई 1 40 बाई 2 50।
हाँ, लेकिन कौन से 2 अच्छे होंगे फिर
वो अल्ट्रा बूस्ट होगा। अल्ट्रा बूस्ट है इसके अंदर, ये सामने दिस इज अवर टॉप मॉडल।
गज़ेल्स है,
गज़ेल है वो ऑन प्राइस।
गज़ेल सांबा,
गज़ेल और सांबा में डिस्काउंट बिकॉज न्यू लॉन्च है, वो डिस्प्ले यहाँ पे किया है और
इसमें कुछ डिस्काउंट नहीं है,
इस पे कोई ऑफर नहीं आता है।
आई थिंक वी गेट दिस। ये UK 9 में दे दो।
बाई
ये सुबह 50% में
फॉर फ्लैट 40% है, बट ये पिंक हो जाता है धूप में जाने के बाद। तो अगर वो देखना है तो अभी आप चेक कर सकते हो, शूट कर सकते हो।
Oh sick, the flowers are becoming pink.
फोरम मिड है, तो ये बाई 2 50 पे आएगा, इसकी वैल्यूएशन होगी
5500।
हाँ 5500 में आएगा अगर बाई 2 करते हैं।
ये हमें 2 दे दो, एक 8 दे दो, एक 9 दे दो, इसमें UK 7 दे दो। क्या क्या निकाला अभी? एक
One is this.
एक ये दो,
वन इज दिस,
इसके 2,
ये 2
2 दिस,
एंड दिस।
इसमें बाई 250 मिल जाएगा।
चेक करना पड़ेगा।
इसका 2 दे दो, बिल्कुल।
दिस इज योर 8 नंबर हाई फोरआर्म्स, 9 नंबर इन हाई फोरआर्म्स,
Yeah.
8 नंबर ऑन फ्लैट 40% ऑफ, कलर चेंजिंग मिड सोल। ये बाई 2 50 में आएगा, 50 में कन्वर्ट होगा। दिस इज योर 9 नंबर। योर MRP वाज 78,993, so for discount 42,896.
Nice. Almost 50% off everything. Every time I see like a nice ball, football, basketball, I end up having a strong urge to buy it.
Sir, asking for price. Electronic platform. Paper. Machine put it.
Success. Let's go. But our total bill is 42,896 rupees. Number of items we got 7. Okay, so the Adidas store, they have some cool products, like they have some cool campus shoes and gazelles that I think are fairly popular, but at the outlet they're not on a discount, they're at full price, MRP, all the new products, so to speak, like this. All these gazelles, I think super cool shoes, but none of these are actually on a discount. The things on discount are older collections, which sometimes have like nice stuff you really hunt. Some products are on like a 40% flat off, the others are if you buy 2 you get 50% off. So we bought a bunch of shit, let's see if it sells, it'll be interesting. Cool shoe, very cool shoe. Ultra Boost 1.0, there was a time when the all white version of this, it was called the triple white Ultra Boost. Kanye wore them to a gig and they went up on StockX to like $400. It was all the rage. And then we found some more cool gazelles and stuff here which are at an incredible 0% off. But that's okay, this is new product. There were some interesting pieces that we found, like these superstars that have these flowers that turn pink in the sun. I think things like this could just sell in the aftermarket anyway, because at the end of the day, people are just looking for cool product and easily accessible. I don't think discovery for cool product is as strong. So what we at the end of the day do is build discovery for cool things. And if we put up something, and if we list something that is still fundamentally cool, I still feel like we could sell it and make some money on it. So we bought a few of these, we'll see how it plays out. To the Nike store, which is very conveniently right next door. I'm excited about this bit. my god. How fun. हम ज़्यादा ले लेंगे. Nice shoes. 97.
8,500 में आपको 40% ऑफ करने के
इसका
5,000.
तो ये दे दो मुझे. ये भी सेम.
वो भी सेम ही है. उसमें एक ये भी
कौन से साइज है?
क्या साइज है आपको?
इनके हमें 8, 9, 7, 8, 9, 10 है.
8695.
उससे 40% ऑफ. इसके 8, 9, 10 दे दो. फिर अच्छा दिखाओ ना.
8, 9, 10. ये दोनों में से कौन से कलर?
ये वाला 8, 9, 10 दे दो. ये वाला भी 8, 9, 10 दे दो. ठीक है मेरा.
500.
तो 40% ऑफ.
हाँ.
ज़्यादा डिस्काउंट नहीं.
8,000.
8,000 मिल जाएगा. ये दे दो.
MNST Super Secret.
वो दोनों दे दो. वो वाला दे दो. ये वाला दे दो. और ये वाला दे दो. ये तीन दे दो. This 28 pairs so far. I think you racked up a pretty heavy bill so far. ठीक है मेरा. 14.
Sorry, you are not allowed. I checked it. We cannot allow anybody doing the until unless you have a permission.
Bad news, the Nike dudes was not cool with us filming. The Adidas dudes were also not cool with us filming, but you know, we pulled some strings, called some guys, and the very good folks at Adidas did allow us to shoot. We tried doing the same thing at Nike, but they weren't with it. Anyway, we went ahead and did some shopping at the Nike store. We got some pretty cool deals, like this, and all the rest of the shoes we'll show you. Check it out. It was a good time. We got them back at the store now. We'll run you through some of the deals that we picked up, and carry on for the rest of the video. As you can tell, it was a fairly productive day. We bought more than 30 pairs of shoes and spent almost 2 lakh rupees. This is the exact amount of money we spent. Now, on top of all of that, we've already sold a couple of shoes and made a little bit of a profit. The rest of the shoes, a bunch, are listed on our website for retail immediately. If you've got our discount code, you can get a little more of a discount and get them below retail, which is wild. And there's a few shoes here which are listed above retail because we got them at retail. But if you found that discount code, you get these for the retail price, which is wild if you ask me. That being said, if you enjoyed this video, do comment down below, tell us why you liked it and what you want to see us do next. I feel like this was some vanilla shit. We're down to do something a little crazy, you know. It's time we get a little creative with this. And yeah, subscribe to the channel, guys. Come on, it's been long enough. Y'all watch every bloody video. A lot of you aren't subscribing, and that's quite annoying. Go subscribe quickly so you can get that bell icon notification situation and get notified every Sunday at noon when we upload a video. And I'll see you next Sunday at noon when you get that notification because you're about to subscribe. If you buy these ugly ass shoes, I will personally call you, thank you, come to your house, hug you, touch your feet, and feed you food for a week.